Hey guys, what's going on? It is Christina's Vlogs here. We're in Tombstone, Arizona. I know I haven't vlogged in a bit, but today's gonna be a little different of a video. Dad and I are going to the Orbordello out here in Tombstone, and we're gonna go to the Birdcage Theater. It's either Friday night, which is tonight, or tomorrow night, which is Saturday. And yeah, we're gonna do a few ghost hunts, and yeah, see you guys there. Hey guys, so we're here at the Orbordello. We just checked in, got everything set up. We started doing a little bit of experiments and investigating and stuff like that. Dad's over here. He's gonna film with his stuff for his YouTube channel for his group. If you need that, link is gonna be down in the description if you want to see more.
I'm sitting there wide awake, eyes open. I could hear it and feel it, but saw nothing. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? We also had a sigh behind our couch that my mom took for a ride one time. You just be periodically sitting on the couch, like watching TV or whatever, and you just hear it for one night. When the next day, when me and my brother and sister got home from school, they were like, where have y'all been? We've been at school, we just got off the bus. When my parents got home, they were like, well, where have y'all been? We've been at work. They had heard somebody upstairs in a rocking chair rocking. We took him to the room that they were talking about and showed him. We opened the door. Not only was there not a rocking chair in the house, the room was filled with boxes. There wasn't a place on the floor that a rocking chair would fit. They left that.
Ladies would entertain for $25 a visit. And if anybody would like to know just how busy your ladies work, you can go to the end of the glass case, look up those steps, look at the top 3 or 4 stars. They are wore down to the thickness of a silver dollar, done in less than 9 years. Underneath the wings, we had gambling all the way down to the lower level. We still have our blackjack, faro, and our dice table. The faro table sets its original position with the original chairs, and that is where Doc Holliday would sit, deal, and play faro. As you go on up on our stage, you're going to see a lot of pictures of actors and actresses that performed on our stage. In the bullet holes was done by gunfights. The biggest part of them, drunk cowboys entertaining themselves. Now, this is our original bar and bar back, made in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, made out of solid cherry. That bar and bar back's been sitting there ever since December the 26th of 1881. Never been moved, never been refurbished. We had 16 gunfights, 26 people was killed. There's over 140 bullet holes throughout this building. That is a 45 caliber. That's been in there 138 years, still in there today. Behind the door in the green wall, right above the Lehman twins, that's a 44. Now, once you came off this boardwalk and started walking on these wooden floors, you're in the same
Alright, so we're heading back to the Orbidello at the moment. I got my root beer. It's so good, and he's mad because he can't drink it. Huh.
Shut up.
So you guys got a little peek at the Birdcage Theater. We're gonna go back tonight at 8 to do the night tour with a few of us, and then we have another ghost tour that we're doing at 6. It's a walking ghost tour. We're gonna go into a few buildings and stuff like that, and then she also said that she's gonna talk to somebody about us getting a ghost tour tomorrow. So
That's at the old mortician office.
The old mortician office. So that'd be cool if we could. Yeah. So far pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. So again, like if you guys hear anything throughout the night, stuff that I don't catch, going through like recordings and stuff like that, please let me know down in the comments below, and we'll go from there. All right, cool. See you guys in a bit.
Now, I cannot promise or guarantee that you're going to have your own paranormal experience tonight. I really hope you do. But I always like to remind everyone they do not punch the time clock like I do. Any questions? No? Let me give you a little history of Tombstone. Before it was Tombstone, it was a little place called Goose Flats. Goose Flats maybe had 150, 200 people in this area. So this gentleman right up here got here, Ed Shefflin. And Mr. Shefflin is from Oregon. He's always out prospecting in his spare time. I kind of think Mom and Dad finally told him, hey Ed, maybe you need to get out and get a job. Come back and visit us when you can. Well, he did just that. He came out here to Arizona and went to work for Camp Huachuca at the time as an Indian scout. So in his spare time, he's out prospecting, looking for that silver and gold. They do follow each other in the mines. So the soldiers are out there telling him, hey Ed, the only rock out there you're going to find is your tombstone. Ooh, y'all are a tough crowd tonight. Okay. I see I have my work cut out for me. Challenge accepted. Well, aren't we glad he found that rock? Because can y'all imagine that movie called Goose Flats?
He's a handsome gentleman.
Actually, he found 3 rocks that totaled about $85 million. Yeah, 1800s money. So times all the numbers I give you tonight by 30, and that's what you're going to get in today's money. Those silver mines are really booming. That population has increased to well over 18,000 people. We don't know exactly how many people were in here. They only counted white males. And we had a huge lady population, a huge Asian population. A little bit of perspective for you, this population was larger than the city of Los Angeles at the time. Late 1800s and was when those silver mines closed. Now everybody's leaving. They're chasing the gold over in California or chasing the copper over in Bisbee. Now this population has dropped back down to 150, 200 people. All these businesses are having to close, including this one. Now as people were leaving, they did expect to return. They expected those silver mines to reopen, so they left a lot there. Anyone else been on the tour before?
Yes.
Oh, you have too, so welcome back, and the rest of you are my new victims. I saw a young girl peek around the table at him. And I'm like, okay, well, did one of the guests go in and was going to try to tease you? He said no. He looked for her the rest of the night, and he couldn't find her. He described her as being very young with long brunette hair. Now, after he described her, we think he described one of the serving girls here. And what they did was they carried these very heavy baskets. Each basket would be full of liquor bottles, and each drink that they sold, they would keep a percentage of. Y'all, some of these girls were as young as 12 to 14 years old. Plus, remember, they had a very different mindset back then. A lot of the girls had already been married, divorced, and widowed by that time, and half their life. Notice all the gaming tables are handmade. This is a handmade dice table here in front of me. When we get on the backstage, I have several photographs y'all can take a look at. One of them is a reflection of a young brunette, and she's reflecting in this corner of the dice table. Now the photographer is standing back in this area. She's reflecting in this corner. She's got to be standing up here. Now I do have another photograph here on my iPad. This one was taken in the middle of the afternoon. And I asked the gentleman to text us through that doorknob hole. We have seen some shadow figures in there. The two other comforts of home are these two rooms right here in front of me. No, these are the Bordello rooms. The ladies down here were the $40 a night ladies. High class ladies. Each room is furnished with a bed, an armoire, a wash basin, even their own little chamber potty. Set up just like their own little apartments. All the belongings in those rooms belong to the last ladies who worked in there, believing that they would return.
Howdy.
Now,
Alright, so going through the Birdcage Theater, what I wanted to do, it's fine, Dad, it's fine. What I wanted to do was take a few photos. Let me know in the comments below what you guys see, and then we'll go to the lights out right afterwards.
I do have him on video moving that table one evening. Each time I try to play it back here, I heard it.
Yeah.
Each time and the K2 meter over there is going on.
Mine's going off too. Yeah, he's here. All right.
Each
Oh,
time I
look.
try to
Hi, Josh.
Hi, Josh. Are you there? Look, that one's going off too. Joshy, are you here? You know we're talking about you. It's okay. Show yourself.
If it is you, make it to red.
Let us know. Make one of these meters light
Oh,
up.
there it is.
All right, now turn them on. Joshy.
It's okay.
Now he has too much attention.
Oh, are you scared? It's okay. No more? All right. Well, thank you. We appreciate you showing up tonight.
So yes. And also on your questions, I just ask that you keep them polite and respectful, and I will caution you about asking, do you want us to leave? Now, I said that last weekend. I was talking about the rules for lights out session, and about the time I was saying that, we heard glass breaking downstairs, what sounded like glass breaking. And I immediately counted heads. I had 20 people in the tour, so I had 20 people up here. One guy asked me, he says, well, can I go back down there? Sure, I don't have anyone to hide down there. And so half the tour group went back down there. They saw no one down there and no broken glass. But one of the ladies up here was recording, and she caught the broken glass on her recordings. So we do get EVPs in here. I have asked Joshy to tap on the glass one evening, and they emailed it back that says, we hear a young child saying, I can't. I've heard the answer yes to the question, is there anyone in here? So we do get the EVP, so if anyone is recording, you can possibly hear something and maybe send it back into us. Alright, so just about time for us to go lights out. I have some rules to go over for lights out. It is going to get very dark in here, so everyone will please stay in your seats. Now, if you feel like you do not want to spend the next half hour in the dark with the crazy lady up here, I've got a flashlight and I've got a lantern. I will be able to walk you out. Unfortunately, I will not be able to let you back in because I do have to come back up here. And notice the buckets underneath the table. Those are not the potty buckets. If for any reason anyone feels sick to their stomach, the extra energy in the room has been known to cause nauseousness, or if supper didn't set well, or for whatever reason, just say, hey Karen, bark bucket. Because I ain't going to judge you unless you miss the bucket. Then I'm going to judge you just a tiny little bit.
And you're saying
extra and make you help me clean it up, because I am the cleanup lady. Okay, what? Oh, cameras. Feel free to take photographs the first 20 minutes. Just turn your flash off, because otherwise we're just seeing flashes. The last 8 minutes, 10 minutes or so, feel free to flash away. Camera-wise, that is, no other flashing going on. Not allowed. Darn.
She was gonna feel something on her shoulder.
And that leads me to my next rule. Be very careful about touching your neighbor if your neighbor does not know you're going to touch them. Because what's going to happen is your neighbor... Sally, are you here? Yep. Yeah.
Said yeah.
Hi, Sally.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
sweetheart.
to meet you. Thank you for coming.
Is there anyone else who wants to ask any questions? No? Back there in the back. Sally, can you tell me the name of your doll?
Oh, we have shadow figures in the casino. If you are in the casino, can you let us know? We see you.
Can that lower on the volume a little bit? Are y'all seeing something move on the casino floor?
Yeah. There's a few shadows.
Yeah, we've got shadow figures on the casino floor.
Okay. Can you tell me who's on the casino floor, please?
Steve.
Steve? All right, Steve. Are you playing Pharaoh?
Yes.
Did you hear a yes?
Yeah, I heard a yes.
Okay.
Hi, Steve. You mind if I join you? I'm a bit of a
I think it just said yes.
Steve, if you're there, Steve, if you can hear my voice, do me a favor, light up one of these devices on this table, please.
No.
No.
Said no. Nope.
He's not going to leave his hand.
Okay, thank you. Steve, why can't I join you? Do you think I'm going to cheat?
Yes.
I would never cheat. I will play honest.
Freak.
Okay, thank you, Steve. Thank you for communicating with me tonight. I appreciate it.
Why do you want us to freeze?
Are we in danger?
No, we don't have to go into those kind of questions. We'd like to keep it positive, please.
Sorry, Karen.
Now, I was here many years ago. Do you remember from then? Because I got touched on the shoulder that time. How many people are here in this room right now?
8.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
There you
that's
go.
Right.
Thank you for answering
Thank
that.
you.
Steve, do you remember what happened to me last time I was here?
Is there someone near me?
Yeah. Can you tell us the name of who's near her, please? What did you hear?
I thought I heard Scott.
Steve, can you tell me why I have a pain in my side?
No.
Did someone accuse me of cheating at cards? Like I said, I'm ready to play all in. Fine. Ooh. I'm ready to go all in. Like I said, I'm ready to play.
Hold on. What did y'all hear over here?
I thought I heard him say my name.
What's your name?
Monique.
Monique.
That
It could be.
could be. Did you say somebody's name here? Can you tap on the hearse, please?
What the fuck?
You okay back there?
No.
There's footsteps back there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard that.
All right, I couldn't hear them.
No, there's footsteps back by the hearse.
Thank you for making some noise.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you doing okay back there?
No.
No, there's footsteps. There's footsteps by the
Yeah.
hearse.
All right.
Can you come on this side of the room so you're not scaring anybody? You can come sit down next to me.
Yes.
Yes, I'll be right there.
Did you want to move seats?
Okay.
Fine. Karen.
I'm sorry.
I'm
what?
sorry. Do you mind if I stand up and go stay on stage but look into the casino?
Shine my light. Nope, I'm gonna shine my light. You get up.
Take one step, move over. Stand right here. Thank you.
Oh, I thought you were just gonna look. I didn't know you were gonna stay standing.
No, I just want to look real quick.
Okay.
Dream?
Yeah, okay.
What's my name?
There's activity in the ballroom or in the casino.
Do you know anybody else's name that's sitting here?
Is it you?
Did you see us get married today? Right in front?
Yeah.
Yes.
Said yeah.
Well, thank you. We appreciate that.
You still feel like someone's standing next to you over here? Yeah. Alright, who's standing next to
Directly.
Who's standing next to the lady on my right over here? Can you tell me your name, please? You're standing next to her. Can you touch one of the green lights on the table?
No.
Okay. Guess they don't want to.
How old are you?
Three?
I heard something with a 9.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the shows that were here? There's footsteps.
That was over here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
It's like
Do you know what happened to me last time I came on this tour at night? Yes.
Yeah.
Do you know who that might have been? Was that you or someone else?
someone else.
Okay. Can you give me a name of who it was? Or do you not know? I don't know.
You know what year it is?
Did you hear that gurgle?
Can you tell me what year it is? Do you know what happened to you?
Were you shot?
Or did you get lead poisoning? Hello.
Did you hear the whistle?
Yeah, check the casino.
Yeah, just had somebody look up at us.
Yeah, there's. Yeah.
Did someone just whistle in the casino?
said maybe.
I heard maybe.
If that was you whistling in the casino, can you do it again, please? One more time. It's okay. We're not going to hurt you. Please let us know you're here. Is there anybody over by the hearse? Did you unfortunately end up in the Black Mariah?
You did.
That one was loud.
Were you a victim of violence or gunshot or hanging?
Both.
Yeah.
So, violence and hanging or violence and gunshot? Please? How can I help?
Don't talk. I'm sorry.
How can I help? If you ended up in the Black Mariah and you were a victim either of gunshot and violence or a hanging, how can I help? Are you one of the Clantons? No. Are you one of the McClowrys? How did you die? Gunshot?
Who are we talking to now? What's your name? Can you tell me your name, please?
If this is the same spirit we are talking to, can you please tap on the glass or give us a sign that you can hear us? Tap on the glass, or you see these green lights on the table. Can you make one of them light up, please? No?
Are we bothering you?
Kind of. Do you want to leave us alone and maybe have another spirit talk to us?
Yep.
Yes. Who else is here?
Is there any ladies here?
Or is it just men?
Yep.
Where are the kids?
Is it bedtime?
If you can touch this.
Are you playing in the casino right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You mind if I come down and join you in a game of Pharaoh? Okay. You think I'm not a cheat. Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. That's what they said.
There's a
So
couple.
where are the kids? Are the kids here?
Are the kids in bed?
Yes.
Safe. Safe from who?
Somebody's walking down there.
Your kids are safe from who? The adults?
Alright, so we have about 10 minutes left, so if you folks want to start taking photographs with your flash, feel free to do so. I will highly recommend that you say flash before.
Are you standing close to me right now? I have a cold spot right next to me. Are you here next to me or close? Can you make one of these green lights light up? I feel you're standing right next to me. Pick any one of them.
You good?
My hair got pulled.
Did you just pull her hair? Is that what the cold sensation was?
Yes.
Okay, now it's my turn.
There, lights over here's going on.
It's
Are you
flashing,
standing
isn't
next
it?
to me?
What was that?
It's.
Are you irritated?
Yeah.
Do you want us to stop? You want us to leave?
Maybe. Alright, do me a favor, before we leave, make one of these green lights on this table light up. I know you're standing next to me. I'm sure you're familiar with what happened last time I was here. So, can we make one of these lights light up? I can tell you're right next to me or close because I feel real cold. Are you real close to where I'm sitting?
Alright, so it is time for me to go turn on the lights.
Well, thank you.
If you folks would please stay in your seats till I get the lights turned on. Feel free to continue to take any photographs and ask any questions.
Something's lighting up though.
So we're gonna turn on the lights now. Thank you for talking to us.
Do you have anything else to say while we're here?
Dad?
Yes? You're dead? Now, I promise you I won't cheat anymore. If I don't cheat, can I play again next time? Come on, Doc.
Doc, if you're here, can you make a knock?
What do you want from?
So we just got done with the Birdcage Theater. Hope you guys liked that footage. There's more voice memos and stuff, but I'll put it down below in the video and then put the photos that I took. And then a few more photos that have been taken around town. But yeah, it's honestly been a really great night with some really good experience. So I'll see you guys all next week on tomorrow's night. So hope you guys liked our first night. There might be a little more footage from the Orbodello. I think Dad and I are gonna do a little bit of investigating with that. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. And if you did, go ahead and give that a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button. See y'all later. Hey guys, what is going on? So I just wanted to end this video right here. There's some footage from the Orbodello, but it's not enough to put into a video for next week. So I'll try to come up with something for next week, because with this coronavirus going on, there's really nothing else that we can do other than sit at home and really do nothing. So I hope you guys really like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you already subscribed, go ahead and hit that little bell button that gives you notifications. Also, if I missed anything, go ahead and comment it down below. Anything that you hear, see, anything like that, because sometimes different people's ears and eyes are better than your own. Again, if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Oh, these days up in the light.